Hey guys, Professor Mars here. I'm going to show you guys a quick little tip about something that we hear a fair number of our customers doing once in a while. We just wanted to show you what it's about and what not to do. What we've got here is our thin air press bag and some 2x4s. A lot of people, and this comes from the vacuum bagging world where they might be using an electric pump, which is constantly generating pressure, and little leaks are not a big deal. Our bag system relies on the butyl tape, the sealing strip, as well as the permanent seams all along the bag. And for that reason, the system works well enough on its own that you shouldn't need this additional step. But what a lot of people have been doing is taking the bag and they might fold it over or roll it over and then use a couple of clamped 2x4s to sort of get their seal. Now, this will work fine for a single pressing, but it will damage your bag. More so, it will also ruin the sealing tape strip that comes pre-installed because it will flatten it out, it will crush it, and it will also damage the permanent seams along the bag. You keep your bag clean and free from dust, and you keep the backer sticker on this thing. It should last you many uses and should work great every time. If you are experiencing problems, it's easy to clean out the strip and replace it with a fresh one. The other item that people tends to do is C-channel clamps. It gives you the same problems with damaging your bag. It also does not really ensure a perfect seal, as there might be gaps right along the permanent seamed edges of the bag. So hopefully I've given you guys enough reasons to not do this in the future. If you're having any problems with your bags, always contact us and we can see what we can do to help. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.